There's a study out, and it's highlighted in an op-ed piece in the Journal about the Paragon Institute, to where the increases in the Obamacare premiums are coming from this year. The base premium, 83.3%, has to go up just based on the Unaffordable Care Act, which is basically what it is. Increase from all other factors in 2026, 13.3%. Increase in the premiums this year from the COVID credit expiration, 3%, 3.3%. Only 3.3% of why these costs are soaring to individuals is because of the expiration of the Obamacare subsidies.
Yep.
You don't hear that very many places.
Well, and Joe, all of this was predictable. And not only was it predictable, it was in fact predicted. In 2013, when I led the fight against Obamacare, when I did a 21-hour filibuster on the floor of the Senate, I laid out the evidence and I said, if you pass Obamacare, people's premiums are going to skyrocket. Health insurance is going to be made unaffordable. And everything that I predicted then has come true. Now, it's gotten so clear, even the Washington Post, hardly a right-wing publication, the Washington Post just a few weeks ago admitted the, quote, Affordable Care Act is not remotely affordable. It has caused these premiums to skyrocket. Now, you and I both understand economics. Economics 101. If you want prices to drop, what do you want? You either want more supply or less demand. Well, we're not going to get less demand. The demand for health insurance is steady and growing. So the only way to get prices to drop is to have more supply. And a huge reason that Obamacare caused prices to skyrocket is it artificially restricts supply. It limits the options that health insurance companies can offer consumers, and it almost immediately resulted in prices skyrocketing. And so the answer to this, which I've been fighting for 13 years, is expand consumer choices, allow consumers to buy the health insurance policies they lead, and that expanded competition will in turn lower prices. The Democrats don't want to do that, and instead their solution, this really does illustrate the modern Democrat Party, their solution is what they call the Obamacare subsidies. You know what those are? Those are direct payments to a handful of giant health insurance companies. It's corporate welfare on steroids, and mind you, since Obamacare passed, the profits of the largest health insurance companies have more than doubled. That's what's happened. And so the Democrats are saying, hey, to the working people, your health insurance is going to keep going up and up and up and up. But we, the Democrats, we really want to give billions of dollars to health insurance companies who've doubled their profits because we're forcing people to buy a product even if they don't want to buy it.